Thank you for calling Berlitz, a global education company providing language and culture skills to organizations and individuals for over 135 years. For information about our programs or to make a scheduling change, press 1. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it at any time. Press 2 to leave a message for a particular staff member by dialing his or her name. Thank you for calling the eBerlitz customer service team. Our representatives are currently assisting other customers. But if you leave your name, phone number, and a message describing the nature of your request, we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for calling the eBerlitz customer service team. Our offices are closed for the day. Please leave your name, a phone number where we can reach you, and a detailed message describing the nature of your request, and we will get back to you the following U.S. business day.